Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. So friends, on this video we will see how to archive a channel in Teams. So friends, before we move to our lab environment, let me give you a brief introduction about today's video. So basically the question is why we need to archive a Teams channel and what exactly it means. So basically archiving the channel in Teams means like if you in a team there are multiple number of channels. So when the task of that channel is completed, you can basically archive that channel. So basically archiving is a way to make a team or channel in a read-only mode. It keep your all messages, files and content intact, and it also prevent further edits and new post. And you can also archive an entire team as well. So friends, let's move to our lab environment and let's start our today's video demonstration. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on Microsoft Teams and I have a channel with the name of department. We can also archive the team as well. So department is my team, and these journal, finance, HR, marketing are different type of channels. So basically this finance is my private channel, HR is my standard channel, and the marketing is my shared channel. So basically these are the three different type of channels. I have explained them why we use, what are the uses of these channels in my previous videos. So basically what we do is like we go here, we click on your teams and channel, and you can see these are the different type of my teams and the channels. If you will click on it, you will see the list of the channels here, right? So like you have created this channel for some purpose, for chatting, for posting something, and now the purpose of this channel is like over, right? So you don't want to see here these channels again and again, and you don't want anyone to post anything on these channels, but you want to retain the data, the chats and other stuff on these channels, right? So how you can basically archive these channels so that later on we can use it, and the content which is saved inside these channels are retained, and it will be in the read-only mode, and later on if it is required we can go through it. Users can, for the users it will be in the read-only mode so that they can go through the information, but they will not be able to edit or post anything. So now I will take you to the my SharePoint site and let me show you how it basically works. Alright, so this is my site name. This is a Teams connected site, and you could see with the name of department. So basically when you create a Teams connected site, a Teams get created in Microsoft Teams. So I will open the site. This is my site home. You will notice the URL, it's of the department, and the department name, we have a team in Teams. So now I will go to the document section. So in channels, right, I will expand this. So you will notice all my folder are here. Basically whatever you will store in Teams in these different channels will be stored in SharePoint, right? And one more thing which I want to highlight here, when you create a shared channel and a private channel, one different site get created. If you will notice, there is the dash and then the finance, and in these are the two different sites which are created for my shared channel and for my private channel. However, for the standard channel, since the journal and HR are the my standard channel, so there is no such different site get created. So now friends, let's go back to the Teams, and now let's see how we can archive these different channels. All right, like now I want to archive, for example, this private channel. So you can click on the three dots, you will get the option of archive channel. This will freeze all the conversation in channel, and you can restore the channel anytime, right? So you can check the box if you want make the SharePoint folder read only for your team members, right? So I will check this and I will click on archive. So this channel is basically archived. Similarly, I will archive the rest two of my channels as well. So let's archive the marketing channel first. Alright, I will check the box, I will click on archive. And before archiving the HR folder, I will put some files inside it. Like I can post a message in this conversation thread. So I've logged in the my incognito mode, and see, Ritika is also a member of this channel, so she can also, you know, write back to me, right? Ritika can also put some files inside it, right? She can, you know, put n number of files, and I can also add a number of files here inside this. So that's how in a channel users do work. Now I will go back to my team. Alright, and now I will archive this HR channel as well. So currently the files and the conversation here, both the users are, one is a member and I am the owner. We are able to you know, have a chat and put some files, do the rest of my stuff. But now I will archive the channel, right? And I will again check the box for read only for team members, and I will archive it. Now we cannot, you know, archive this journal channel. This is the main default, you know, channel, so we will not be able to archive this. However, rest of my, you know, channels are archived. All right, so we have archived our 3 channels: HR, marketing, and, you know, finance. So all the channels are freeze. If I'll click on see all, I can see my channels here, right? And if I will go to Ritika's account, and if I will notice here, so I will click on see all channels. All right, I can also see these, you know, 3 channels are also archived in using Ritika's account. All right, so you have noticed we, before, you know, archiving the HR channel, I, you know, put one file inside it. Now you will notice, since Ritika is only a member of this channel, so the file is available for her in the read only mode. She can only just open the file, she can go through it, but she cannot, you know, add any further files here. She cannot even, you know, create another new file. So for her, the file is only now in the read only mode. However, if I will, since I am the owner of this channel, right? So if I will go to my HR, and if I look for the same file, I can, you know, edit, and I can, you know, edit the file. I can, you know, also add the new files. So these files will be available for the members of this particular channel in the read only mode, right? So that's how you know, the archiving of the channel works. One more interesting thing, we can, you know, only since I am the owner of this team and of these channels, I have created these channels, so I can also, you know, unarchive these channels as well. Let me show you how. So if I will click on the 3 dots, this is my team department. I will click on manage team. So these are my 3 channels which I archived. I will click on them, and I will click on restore channel. Once I will click on restore, again these, you know, all the channels which I want to, you know, unarchive, these channels will get restored. So friends, that's how archiving works in Teams if you have n number of channels. So this is the most convenient way for, you know, for archiving these channels. So let's conclude our video demonstration.
For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen, and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.